The brain rot has come a long way from how it was when we first got it to how it is now. We've modified everything from the way it drives to the way it sounds, but there was always something missing. The headlights have always been something that I knew if I wanted to do them, I needed to make them special. So today, with the help from the boys at Switchback LED, they have given me these fully custom one-of-one XR6 Halo headlights. And we'll be installing them today. I'm pretty excited to see how they look because the old ones are already fogging up. So without wasting too much time, let's get straight into it. Whoa, no fucking way. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna turn the camera around. You guys are gonna see it. 3, 2, 1. So we're just gonna get straight into the video. It is raining outside. That's why we're inside the garage. Don't mind the mess. We were not prepared for the weather of Perth. First step is that we're going to remove the old headlights. So how do we remove the headlight, Cameron?
You're gonna take the bumper off pretty much.
We're gonna take the bumper off. Awesome, love that. Okay.
We should probably go to the pool shop and get a pool noodle and stop the bumper sag while we're at it.
Everyone keeps going on about this bumper sag, but I don't know what they're talking about.
I can't be asked. I can't be asked about the pool shop. I just said that.
This guy just set up a video. So because I want to keep this video basically focused on the headlights, we will be right back once Cameron is finished removing the front bumper. Normally, your front bumper will be held on by bolts on the sides and the fronts, as well as clips. Fortunately, nothing about my car is normal. The front bumper was only held on by 2 screws.
And clips.
And clips. For anyone that doesn't know, when we put in the fog lights, we didn't actually connect them up, so they've never worked this entire time. All right, next step is we're actually going to remove the headlights, which looks like it's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, and I think there's 1 more bolt down the bottom here, so 4 bolts altogether.
Not sponsored by Bunnings, by the way.
Thanks, Cameron. Cameron seemed to think he knows why that this headlight fogged up and this one never did. Well, what were you saying? Something about the seals?
See the gap here? It's decently sealed up, but you have a look at that. That's like...
Jesus Christ.
Gaping.
You could fit a hot... Gaping?
Yeah. Poor choice of words, I must say.
You could fit like, your whole finger in the crevice here.
See, that clip is supposed to be in there.
Yeah.
So they've siliconed this up just like a quick fix.
But it's just... Yeah, it's obviously not. It's like, look at that gap there versus this one here. There's like no gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well done, Cameron.
Yeah, I'm so smart.
This is so much easier than like putting this in the oven and then like resealing it. Just get new headlights. Now, I'm not gonna tell you step by step exactly how to take them out, but there's these little clips here that hold onto the globes. You just push them down and move them out.
Have a look here.
Yeah,
so
like
it pushes down and then it sort of clips around that one side.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, that's...
Yeah, there's 100 videos on how to do this, so you guys got this. Search on YouTube, someone else will have a video on it. Not actually seeing what these look like yet, but Switchback did say that these are amazing. So I'm really excited. Whoa, I feel like a kid at Christmas. Dude, they actually look so good. Dude, they gave me a beanie. 2 beanies with lights.
Oh my God, it comes with that.
Is it on?
Yeah, fuck.
Ah.
You look like a cyclops.
Dude, they're actually so comfy. Before we reveal the headlights, what's else in the bag of goodies? We've got a Switchback keyring, and then we've got 2 lanyards as well. Okay, I think that's it for the goodies. Now we're getting straight into the headlights. Oh, no way. Dude, they look so... Boom.
That's baller.
How sick is that?
I like that honeycomb.
That is insane.
Yeah, he's actually put sealant around it so it doesn't fog up. Typical.
What are you talking about, Cameron? Falcon headlights don't fog up.
Ah, they do.
Can you even see me when you're recording?
I can see the bottom.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, good.
Now we're taking the old headlights off. We're gonna put these new ones on, and I'm so excited to see what they look like.
The old ones are still on though.
No, Cameron, we did it in the wrong order, you fuck. We're supposed to take the old ones off. We just revealed the headlights before anything. Okay,
I was like, when the fuck did we take those off?
Shut up!
They're still on there.
Shut up! Okay, let's take these old ones off. Do you have anything to hold this up?
Yeah, get a broomstick. Stop recording.
How about you press a button?
A few moments later.
Cameron and I are now reading through the instructions that Switchback LEDs have sent us. He did say that they're simple, but we are absolute morons, so yeah, let's see if we can figure it out. We should have here the universal controller, which is that white thing, and then it should have a bunch, like an array of clips that come out of it. That thing there, yep. So those are plugged in by these.
Okay, I see.
Into those. And then it's got a fuse. Oh, the camera can't even see it. It's got a fuse bit here, or something. A ground. That should be pretty easy. What the fuck is this? What is this?
What?
What's this? So we just got off the phone with Mr. Switchback himself, and he's actually explained it to us. And we're idiots. It's actually really simple. So basically, camera, bring it up here. He's riding away with it. He's running away with it. Turn it around. I need to show them. Oh my God. Okay, anyway.
Turn around?
Oh my days. Actually, bring it over here. This makes it easier. Okay. You want to turn it so I can tell them what's happening?
No, not really.
Anyway, so these plugs in here go into the low beam here. They literally just plug into those sockets there, where the red and the black goes. And then this one here for the other light just does the exact same, but for the, I think it's the high or the low. Whichever the one only has 2 sockets for, just plugs in to the side that has 2. This then gets run all the way across to the driver's side. The driver's side one goes up into there. We ground it. Cameron is now putting in the indicators here. He did send us an indicator LED, which is awesome. So that way we're not stuck with the old dingy one. You can see where it was supposed to be orange, and it's no longer orange. Once we had the headlights all plugged in, all we had to do was put in those 4 bolts.
I'm just gonna sit here, let it roll, pay the toll, I am in control, motherfucker, dig that hole, I ain't one to play with, fuck your day, bitch, play the fucking playlist, phone in my head, I leave that motherfucker dead, ain't no fucking clone.
Look how clean that looks. The halos aren't even on.
Yeah.
Look at that, dual halos, blacked out, with the honeycomb etched in. With these, I actually asked Switchback if I could have the honeycomb, but our big problem is that the old Falcon headlights, they don't have a section to etch on anything onto the lens because they concave straight in. He managed to put on the lens for me and etch to the lens. So these are one of one custom headlights. These are so awesome. He's literally, oh my God, he saved the day. How many times have we called him so far today?
3 times.
3 times. We've called him 3 times. We've only done 1 headlight.
And that was in the span of 5 minutes.
Yeah, in 5 minutes. He has helped us out so much just installing these. Compared to the old one that's fogging out, crazy work. Now let's take out the second old headlight and replace it with a new one, and then we'll get started on the wiring.
Summer beach, bitch.
Now, it's time for the wiring. We have to use these as extensions for these cables here. They then plug into this here. So this is the little module, little DC converter, and that. Thanks, Cameron. I'm trying to demonstrate, but you're taking it away. Jesus.
Either we chuck it straight in the battery or we can chuck it there.
That's a ground, Cameron.
Huh?
It needs to be a ground.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at the red. What am I fucking doing?
Jesus Christ. Cameron's gonna blow it up. Cameron's gonna blow it up.
Ground will be there then, wouldn't it?
Ground is anywhere.
Fuck, we'll put it there then.
The 2 plugs that come out of the headlights go into the DC converter, and it's got these plugs in here. That's Cameron's arm.
We'll do those.
It's got these 2 plugs in here. He did say he's provided us with a super O lube to basically lather inside of these plugs, so that way if water gets in, we don't have any problems.
We decided to use the supplied extension cables to run the wiring along the back of the engine bay to give it a cleaner look.
Okay, so we are finally wired in both headlights, and we've put the front bumper on. It is time for the blind reaction. We're going to turn the headlights on, see what it looks like for the first time. I've got the app here downloaded, all set up. We're gonna turn it on and see what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, no fucking way.
They actually work as well.
No way. Yeah, and they work as well.
I was expecting it to not work first go out.
Like, are you guys ready? I'm gonna turn the camera around. You guys are gonna see it. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Oh my God. Look at that. So you can change the color. It's currently on mode 1. What's this one here? Oh, that's white. Whoa, that is actually so sick.
That's like, yeah,
That is white, icy white. And then what we've got, red, Jesus, green, blue. What about the modes though? What have we got? Yeah, what have we got? Okay, so we got the auto, all the colors. Let's look through the modes. We've got mode 3, mode 5, mode 7, mode 6, mode 7. How many
modes have you got?
Jesus Christ, how many modes do we have? Let's just swipe. 80.
Jesus.
100 and, what are we on? 115. Jesus Christ. Jeez, I'm just gonna keep swiping. Jesus Christ.
200 modes.
200 modes! Dude, what the hell? I can't fucking go through all this shit.
I got no time.
I ain't got the time. Damn, we're at 191. Dude, that's sick. Oh my God. Dude, and the car doesn't even have to be on. I've got the keys in my pockets right now. Dude, that's so sick. I mean, I can't be bothered going through all the modes. I'm not gonna lie. I might just stick with like...
Just go pick a random one.
Yeah.
Go 67, mode 67, what is it?
Mode 67. Yeah, let's see what mode 67 is. That's not too bad, actually.
Fits the car.
Dude, that's actually not too bad. Holy gee, this is actually so nice. I don't know if you guys are actually picking this up on the app because it is not loading onto my screen, loading onto my camera properly. Mode 1. This is the one that everyone goes for, I guess. But my God, that just looks so good to display all the colors. The white looks so good. And the left indicator. Dude, and oh my God. He's actually honestly outdone himself. These look so good. Now, we're gonna take it out to a little photo location that Cameron and I found. We're gonna get some shots of this and hopefully we're gonna get some shots of it driving around. That's so sick. Oh my God. All right, let's go and get some shots of this driving around. And yeah, waypole, look away.
Bounce from the sound of my Glock. Aiming at your top, gonna see your body flop. Watch me cock it back. Gonna have a heart attack. Scary motherfucker named Fred. I am back. Leave you in the pieces, chop it up in the kitchen. Cooking up some dope with the smoke. I ain't tripping. Not about the fame. Now please just go away. I'ma ruin your day if you step into my lane. Leave you in the pieces, chop it up in the kitchen. Cooking up some dope with the smoke. I ain't tripping. Not about the fame. Now please just go away. I'ma ruin your day if you step into my lane. Mopped up all the creeps, see your bitches in the street. Use a parasite, I see you in your fucking dreams. I'ma beat you on the floor. Now come and get some more. Now Freddy in your...
The headlights are now finally done. They are all put together. They look so good. We're just going through the modes. There's over 200 modes. I cannot thank the guys at Switchback LED enough for sponsoring me for these headlights. They look so amazing. If you guys want to grab yourselves a pair of custom LED headlights, make sure to check out Switchback LEDs. They are the first link down in the description below, and use my code Richie10 to get yourself 10% off at checkout. They look absolutely amazing. They look so good. Fully customizable as well. They look so good. Literally, they speak for themselves. So if you guys want to grab yourself some, make sure, click the link in the description. Thank you, Switchback LEDs. Small update on the VT. There is no update. We don't know what's going on with it just yet, but we will hopefully in the next video. So stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.